Hello everyone and welcome for today's video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to use Shopify for upsell and cross-sell. Now, Shopify is a online website that you can set up a online store. Now, one of the options that you can use to make One of the options that you can use to increase your revenue is what we call upselling and cross-selling. So first, we need to go to the App Store and install Reconvert, Upsell, and Cross-Sell. Just like what you are seeing here in our screen, I already installed the Reconvert and Upsell and Cross-Sell. Next, what we will do is we will go to Settings, then Checkout. Then as you see, use an app to add features at checkout after customer have selected to pay for their orders. So we'll click Reconvert, Upsell, and Cross-Sell. Then click Save. Now, we can see that our post-purchase app is now Reconvert. So we'll click Start Now. Now, you can I'll do it manually or simply click Publish Reconvert. So for now, we'll just simply publish Reconvert. We can see that Reconvert is now active on our stores. Now, we have set up our Shopify for upselling and cross-selling. So to understand the flow of upselling and cross-selling, so we can see here in this graph. So in this graph, it will show you the flow of order after a client order is completed. So this is what we call upselling and cross-selling. So for example, a client order a HP laptop on your shop. So now we will set up a trigger for our upsell and cross-sell. So in our trigger is for all categories. Now to start the upsell, Shopify will prompt a promo for a client or a customer with a same product that he or she ordered. For example, he ordered a laptop. Now, for the first upsell, Shopify will offer the same product but with higher price and higher quality. For the client to be encouraged to buy that product, Shopify will offer discount. So for example, on the first upsell, it will offer same product, but this is not really the same product. It will offer another product with better quality, but at a higher price. And to encourage client, Shopify will offer 15% off for that product. Now, if the client accepted that upsell, then it will go to the second upsell or what we call cross-sell. So in cross-selling, Shopify will offer new products that will complement for the product bought by your client. So for example, if the client bought a laptop, then for the cross-sell, Shopify will offer peripherals for your laptop. For example, it will offer mouse, wireless keyboard, gaming headphones, etc., etc. But in this time, it will offer products with also another discount to encourage our client. So in the second upsell, Shopify will recommend products that is related to the laptop that the client bought at 30% off. And now, after finishing the orders, the client will be directed to the thank you page. Now, if on the first upsell, the client declined, then Shopify will direct the client to the first downsell. So in this downsell, Shopify will also offer the same product but on a 30% discount off. Now, if the client accepts, then it will go to the thank you page. But if the client declines, it will also go to the thank you page. And lastly, on the second upsell or in our cross-sell, if the client decline, it will simply go to the thank you page instead of offering another product with a lower discount. And that's how upsell and cross-sell will work on Shopify. So if you like this kind of video and want to be updated for more, please click like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.